Hey, what is going on, everybody? Welcome back to my channel, Redline Mod 720 back in. Been a while since I posted recently, but that's what happens when you get a newborn. Just been busy with him and the family. But here we go. So we'll be installing the hood light. This is a single light, and there's also on my website different color ones. So this one with the different colors, you'll get a QR code box that you can scan and download the app. But this one is like a white only, so it's just gonna be black and red wires. What we're doing with this 2023 Honda Accord is that we're gonna run this black to the battery over there and the red down the grommet, because we can't get the accessory fuse over here, and which is the grommet right there. This big grommet here, this big wiring that's going, let's see, this big piece going all the way over there inside. So we're gonna use a big flathead to get there, open this up a little bit and push the wire through, and we're gonna connect it to the accessories fuse down there. Stuff is already connected there, so we're gonna splice into the wire for the power. So when the car turns on, this light will turn on as well when the accessories go on. So literally super easy. We took the rubber piece off from here because otherwise it wouldn't stick. Oh, there's no gap here, so we're just gonna put it right there, and yeah, we should be good to go. Let's see how it looks once it's done. All right, as you can see up there, that red wire going through, that's the grommet. Red wire goes through, and I brought it and I got it into the accessories fuse right there. So after that, we'll check the wiring on the, we're gonna have to connect the black to the battery. All right, ground is right there, and positive is connected right there with that long wire, red wire, and the red wire coming from the strip itself, and that's it. That does it. Let's test it out. So this is the LED strip one, all right? With the changing different colors and stuff like that from the app, as you can see. Small controller right there with it, but the same way to power it up is the same way. Red and black, you just have to download the app, scan that QR code, and you would receive this. That's it. All right, this is like bright daylight out, and this is how it looks. And then, and it's pretty bright, it's perfect. So we'll wait till it's evening. All right guys, this is nighttime, and this is how it looks on a 2023 Honda Accord. But it's so bright, I had to lower down the contrast. So this is just focused on the strip over there. But if I focus on it right now, it's gonna be bright. Watch this, look at that. It is pretty bright, so. Oh man, this is just wild. Go from the side. Yeah, let me go a little far, see if that helps. It's tough. Yeah, it's super bright. Let me shut off the headlights and see how it looks. And of course, the interior is done as well. The chasing ambient lights on the 2023 model right there. Look at that. Back doors. Footwell, the bowl lights right there. Just follow me on Instagram, fam. DM me on Instagram at redlinemods.official. Take care of you guys there. But yeah, let me shut off the headlights and focus on the front. Yep. Dude, that is dope. That's crazy. That's how it looks right now, so. All right, so we're gonna shut it off, and this way you guys can see the startup animation. Go for it. Nice. All right, fam, that's it. So I appreciate the support. That concludes the video, and peace out until next time. Make sure you guys grab it from my site. I appreciate you guys supporting me. since a few years, and provide you guys the highest quality products as always, and installation videos. Make sure you guys subscribe, hit that bell icon to be notified of upcoming content, and peace out until next time.